Hi, I'm Kerry Greenwald, Senior VA Loan Specialist and owner of Creekside Mortgage. Today I want to talk to you for a moment about the significance of a credit score on a home loan. So the ideal credit score at every bank out there is 760 or above. Yes, you can have a higher score than 760, but anything above that you're going to fall into the same tier at every bank, the best program that they're going to offer. A lot of people out there, majority of people, have scores below 760. So yes, you could take the time to try to figure out how to raise your score with obvious factors, paying off your debts, making sure you have no lates, no collections or anything else on your credit, and then lowering the overall debt load that you have, not canceling or closing any accounts, but just paying them down as much as you possibly can. I'm not a consumer credit counselor, but those are obvious factors of what you can go through and do to improve your score. Banks are going to use what's called a mid-score. So they're going to take an Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian, the three main bureaus, and they're going to take the middle score of the three is what they're going to base the loan off of. If you are married, they're going to take the lowest score of the two. So if your wife's score or your scores happen to be, your mid-score is lower, that's what the bank's going to base it off of. So it's one of those things to always remember when you go through there and do it. It's important to approve both scores at the same time if you can. So banks will go through and look at that and basically tier it to what type of program it would fit into. We are a broker, so a little different than most banks. We can actually take whatever credit score you have and fit it to the bank that's looking for that score, put into that pool that fits best for that scenario. So we always have a capability or availability basically of many more programs than most banks or institutions have, because we can pinpoint exactly where your score, where your loan would fit the best at. The majority of transactions we do here at Creekside Mortgage are VA. VA does not care if you have a score or what your score is, but the lender that's lending the money obviously has criteria of what they're looking for. You can actually do a VA loan without a credit score. It's one of those hidden secrets out there. There's very few banks that will offer that or do that, and most of the time we tell people it's better if you can establish a score, because when you have more choices or more capability of getting the loan, obviously your rates are going to improve or be better. So going forward, any questions you ever have about credit scores or how this process works, the best thing to go through, if you want to get your credit report on your own, you can go through TransUnion, Experian, or Equifax. I provided those links below right here, and go to them directly to pull the score. Or there are free credit report services that are out there, but most of the time those aren't free. So I always recommend to go to Equifax, TransUnion, or Experian to pull your actual report. It's going to be the most accurate report too. So hopefully it helped in this matter. If you have any further questions, please call anyone inside my office here at any point, any time. We can go through and help you out, answer any other questions. Thank you.